Hello everyone and welcome back to ThreeTooFour. Today I'm showing you guys the top 5 ways to make money online in 2019. Okay, for the next 5 things I'll be showing you guys, it's not in order at all, it's just 5 different ways to make money. It's not categorized or nothing like that, no rankings. The first one I'm showing you guys today is Fiverr. It's basically a marketplace where you can sell your talents. They have things such as graphic design, digital marketing, writing, lifestyle, business, program tech, music and audio. So just for example, if you were good at making logos, you can do logo designs. You can come down here starting at $5, and you can also become a seller. So all you have to do is just sign up and become a seller, and you could, decide simple logos, 20 bucks for a flat logo. And some of these are very simplistic, nothing very too detailed about them, and it's quick cash. You can also do video animation, so such as like editing, intros, outros, logos, short little video ads for companies, and these things pay pretty well. I mean, you can do something super simple in Movie Maker for $5. So that is the number one way, or the first way I'm showing you guys today how to make money online. Now the second way I'm going to be showing you guys how to make money online in 2019 is by doing your own e-commerce stores. Now Shopify is a great free way to create your own store, and I mean, you can do drop shipping on it, all kinds of stuff. You can have your own product and sell it on it, or lessons, PDFs, courses that you want to sell. But for example, AliExpress, you can come on here, buy something for $1, go on here, Shopify, sell it on your store, and not even have to ever even have inventory. Just straight sell it right to them. And if you guys would like me to go on a detailed video on how to run a successful e-commerce store, drop a comment down below and I'd be more than happy to do that. Another way is by creating your own subscription service. Now Cratejoy is a great way to create your own subscription service. They have it set up really well. It's $40 a month, so it is a little bit of a tax at first, but it makes it really easy for you to run your own successful website. Here's some examples right here. Some Grow Masters. These are examples of what people are selling using Cratejoy. So I mean, look at this. $27.95 a month. Of some like $1, $2. Maybe $1. Some 99-cent store items, and look at these great photos. Turns out to be really successful. Now for number 3 on how to make monies online in 2019 is to have your own affiliate link. So you can come on this website right here, affiliate-program.amazon.com, and create your own custom link to your Amazon store, and give it to your friends or family, or post it on all your social medias, because every time that that someone purchases something out the link that they clicked on, they automatically get 10% in advertising fees. And if you spend $100, I mean, you're getting $10 off that purchase. And it's pretty cool too, because everyone uses Amazon, so you might as well be using, giving it to your friends and family and telling them just to buy it off your store, so that you can create your own profit off of it. Other sites such as like Robinhood and stuff, you can get your own free stocks. Here's my affiliate link right here. But yeah, affiliate links are huge, especially this Amazon one. I'd highly recommend this, and this link will be in the bio below for you guys to use. Now another way to make money online in 2019 is to manage a media page or become an admin on one. There's many pages that you guys can use to be admins, like this page, guys, I just made today. 18 posts, 26 followers, and the notifications are just booming. As you can see, these are all within the last couple seconds. It's really not hard to run an Instagram page on Instagram. If you guys want me to go in a more diverse way on how to gain legitimately, not using like botters or follow botters to spam other people's posts to gain traction to your account, I will make a video on that coming up here soon. But you can see, guys, this is all legit. It's all in the hashtags, all in the great. It just looks good. It looks clean. So this is all within the last couple hours that I've made this Instagram page. Now accounts such as WorldStar. Now accounts like this, where it's like girls, like, guys, these is ran by like 5 different people. If you can have a chance to become an admin on one of these, they do pay pretty well. I've had some friends be able to run some pages such as this, but guys, these are all ran by multiple people. It's not just one person, it's not just one thing, and it's literally it's like a group of pages that you'll be able to run. It's not just this page you'll be running. So if you get a chance to become an admin on that, you get pretty lucky. Like I have a friend that works on the World Star page, and you know, when he first started it really wasn't the biggest of a page still. You know, World Star was still in the beginning, but he's been doing it for the last 8 years now, and you know, it's really grown. And also follow me on Instagram, guys, at ThreeTooFour. Now the last and final number 5 way I'm going to be showing you guys to make money online in 2019 is to run your own game server. Now running your own game server is you know, it isn't the easiest thing. This is, you know, something that you do for fun. If you're passionate about gaming, I'd highly recommend this. Now guys, I used to run my own Minecraft server back when I was a freshman in high school, and I profited about $10,000 my freshman year just off running you know, perks and stuff for people to purchase. And like I'm saying, guys, number 5, this is for someone that kind of knows about gaming already. So you know, there's a lot of in-game transactions and everything you guys already play. So if you can create something that would attract players to keep on coming and purchasing that item, especially monthly, it would really benefit you. Such as Counter-Strike, you can run a deathmatch server, and $5 will be VIP, and you can get your own custom knives, custom skins, custom gloves, all that inside your server. Or in Minecraft, you can get your custom server ranks, which will get you, you know, this, you know, kit per day, or you know, you can set your homes, set more homes, you know, stuff like that, guys. It's really any game. I mean, I can go to Rust, and you know, there's high pop. If you get your server popping and you know it's always full, you can create VIP slots to give people certain stuff, or you know, kits as well. You know, you can get daily kits and all that, and it's really easy to run, especially on gameservers.com. And you know, there's a lot of YouTube tutorials on how to run a server successfully, get the right plugins, and get your you know, reach to your server. Great advertising. Also on TeamSpeak, you guys, you know, you can charge people, create your own TeamSpeak with, you know, 150 slots or 50 slots, and you can charge people to create their own channels and stuff like that. Great way. Okay, and another way you guys can make money is to, you know, actually get your own server. So getting your own server, ignore these prices right here. I'd use something more like OVH or something like that. You know, you get your own server with your gigabytes and your terabytes, and you know, all that, your RAM. You know, you get a good server, and you rent slots on that server. So you know, you have your own, you know, dedicated computer, and then you put game servers on it, and then rent these game servers out to people. And I mean, look at this, guys. You know, you go to games, say you want to rent games, you set up a Rust on your server, your dedicated server. You know, 50 players, $8.95 a month. Guys, that you know, that doesn't take up much space at all on your server, and you are making a lot of money, especially when you're making a monthly income, guys. So that is a great way to, you know, purchase a server and rent off that. And that's going to be the end of this video, guys. Thank you for watching my top 5 ways on how to make money in 2019 online. If you guys did enjoy, please make sure to leave a like, drop a comment, and follow. And thank you guys all for watching. I'll see you guys all later, and peace.